How to convert zip to APK on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a zip file into APK file on your Android device. It's really easy process and I will guide you through each step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first off, if you don't already have a file manager on your Android device, you will need to download one. Just head over to the Google Play Store and there are plenty of free options available. Download and install the one that suits you and then open the app. Once you have opened it, navigate to the location where your zip file have been saved. Once you find it, simply tap and hold the file to select it. Now the file is selected, look for the rename option and tap it. And here is the important part. Change the file extension from .zip to .apk and after that tap OK to confirm the changes. You might see a warning pop-up telling you that changing the file extension could make the file unusable, but don't worry. That since we are converting the file, not just renaming it, you can safely proceed. And now your zip file have been converted into APK file and all that left to do is just tap on it and install the app on your device and that's it. You have successfully converted a zip file into an APK. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.